Miss Sandra, you got something. All right, y'all. So, I head out. I saw this little viral post that went on Twitter earlier this week, and it was like this just amazing looking dessert. I was like, oh, I gotta have that. And it was cheesecake. I love cheesecake. And I know what you might be thinking. This is a little different from what I usually do. I always do sports and everything like that. But shout out to Eric, my boy Eric Eboa, Kwaku Snipes, excuse me. He told me to do a few review on it. Now, there's been a couple times where I tried some pretty cool foods and different things around the South and everything like that. And I was thinking about it. I was like, should I, document this? And I was like, no, I don't want to hop off with the basketball wave. Anyways, but just for him and for my mom and for Dimitri and for anybody else who wanted to know how it tasted, here's a YouTube review just for you. So here we go. This is cheesecake. Now, I do eat a little dairy. I kind of cut down. I try to keep it to a minimum, but I do eat a little dairy every now and again. This is a lot of cheesecake, but shout out to Sandra in Clinton, Mississippi. Sandra, Clinton, Mississippi. If you want some of this, I decided to pull up myself tonight. And we're going to see what this is, man. This is a banana pudding cheesecake. Went viral. It's got like 60,000 likes right now on YouTube. So, on Facebook, excuse me. So, without further ado, man, I'm going to just get a couple bites on camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and enjoy it myself if you don't mind. Oh, hold on now. I got to take this thing off first. It's a little stuck. Nice and cold. It's got the little vanilla wafer cookies on top. Let me place this down. Okay, cool. Put the top back on. We got to, the variant going out. Amen. All right, let's get it. First slice. Let's see what it's talking about. Tastes exactly like what it says. It's like, tastes like banana pudding and cheesecake. I don't know how she did that. But it tastes just like banana pudding. But you can also taste cheesecake. But hold on. I know that sounds like, oh, duh. What else did you expect it to taste like? I don't know. Hold on. Miss Sandra, you done got you one right here. Now, the prices was a little pricey, but it's a lot. I'm going to try to show it to you in here. So this is one square, but you got 1, 2, 3 more squares here, and then another 4 squares on the bottom, just like it. I have no idea if that's in the camera. I'm going to try to see if I could get in the camera like this. If I lean it, it's going to fall over my $30 down the drain. But, yeah, that's what she has. Everything like that. Pulled up, support. Make sure you support black business. Make sure you support local business. Make sure you support small business. Make sure to put your money back with the people that kind of direct you the most directly. Now, I'm saying that I'm a bit of a hypocrite because I go to a large food chain store for groceries as opposed to going to the local market right there around the corner. But other than that, I try to support local, try to buy local and stuff like that. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much the review. I'm going to get another scoop right here for y'all on camera. That's something new now. It gets better and more you go into it. Got the vanilla wafer crunch on it. Kind of like a key lime pie type of sweet. Like a tart. I like that. Miss Sandra, you got something. I mean, she knew that. You got 60,000 likes, but I'm glad that, shout out to the young fellow. I believe his name was like Aaron or something like that in Nashville. And somewhere like that. I believe he's in Nashville right now. Shout out to him for posting it. Going viral. When he went viral, he shouted out the creator of it. So many times creators in this day and age, they don't get the credit they deserve. I know my mom's probably watching this like, boy, I got you, mama. A lot of times these days, creators don't get the credit they deserve. And it's just nice to see that once he went viral, he gave up that credit and stuff like that, and allowed for potential customers like me to stop on by and get some. So that's my review of it. Pretty good, pretty good. It lives up to the hype. As good as advertising. It's a lot. It's a good value. It's like kind of expensive, like premium, but it's premium because it's so dang much. It's like I could probably throw this in the freezer and munch on it for 2 weeks. So yeah, but that was my thing on it. Good little Friday night treat here on this Friday night. And if you're wondering where the basketball is, the basketball will continue to be on the channel. I just wanted to try some more. There's so many people that was asking, how's it going to taste? How's it going to taste? I just wanted to show you how it tastes. So if you are new to the channel, this is the road to 2K subs. Until next time, make sure you wash your hands, stay 6 feet, wear your mask. I wore my mask. On a trip now. I pulled up. I was like, hey, I'm outside. Then I was on the phone with my mom. And my mom was like, throw on your mask. Threw on my mask real quick. So made sure the transaction was safe. Sprayed down with Lysol once I got back. The casing, of course, not the actual cake. Wash my hands as always, and trying to stay safe because the new variant is out and this is vicious. So this thing is not over. Be safe. Until next time.